Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bullseye Options. Today is May 8, 2020. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. What I'm going to show you here is an options trade that I just closed out for 23%. And I'm just going to really show you the pattern here and how you can do this pretty much continuously. So if you take a look at the chart, it's the SLV, which is the iShares Silver Trust, and it doesn't really matter what chart it is. It's just the fact that the pattern presents itself, and you've had a big thrusting move up here all the way into April 14th. The low was put in obviously on March 18th, so that's quite a move. But what happened here is the equity just started to go sideways, and it did have a little sell-off day there, came back up a little bit, then really just put in a little bit of what we call a base, and then you could see yesterday and today how this took off to the upside. So what I basically did was on April 30th, I bought call options here. So I bought call options, and I'm looking for the equity ultimately to potentially go up to around the $16 level. But I don't care if it does that or not. All I needed to do is get into the money using a $16 strike price and make me money. So today you can see pretty good move right above the 1450 level. Right now it's settled in at 1449. But all you have to do is get that kind of move, and the option will pay you. And today it paid us 23% in just a few days. So again, got in this one on April 30th. And then if you look here, today out with a 23% gain. This is an equity now that I'll look to trade all the way up into the $16 level on every pullback until the pattern breaks. And that's a way of making consistent money and profits using one chart pattern. Now, if you look at the weekly chart of this, you can see the same thing developed. You had a big thrust, and then we've just gone sideways. And that tells me when we go and put in a sideways base, ultimately we're going to go higher. And really the target on this is all the way up to $16. So again, SLV was a big winner for us today. And that's something you want to continually do. And again, it's all about the chart pattern. And if you can identify the pattern, you can make a lot of money using the options. And we did that today, closing out a 23% winner in the SLV. We also closed out Southwest today. That pattern's a little bit trickier, a little bit of a different setup there, but nonetheless, that was good for some solid gains. And again, we'll let that tell us a bit more going forward. But Southwest Airlines, you can see we took another 23.68% in really just 2 trading days. So a good little trade there. So check it out, Bullseye Options. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you a little bit on the charts. Take care.